Hello everyone. In this short video, let us learn why alcohol precipitates gout. So before moving into the actual reason, let us understand the alcohol metabolism. The commonly consumed alcohol, being ethanol, is metabolized by the enzyme alcohol dehydrogenase in the liver, which converts ethanol to acetaldehyde. In this process, one molecule of coenzyme NAD is converted to its reduced form. The same alcohol dehydrogenase enzyme converts the acetaldehyde into acetic acid. So, in another reaction, where one more NAD plus is consumed to form NADH and H plus. So, when the ethanol is metabolized to acetic acid, two NADH are produced. Further, acetic acid and becomes acetyl CoA and enters the Krebs cycle, which produces energy. So by this cycle, what we can understand is ethanol after metabolizing produces two molecules of NADH. So whenever alcohol gets metabolized, the cellular NADH to NAD plus ratio increases. So this is first point we should remember. And as a result of this, because the NADH to NAD ratio is increased, there is shifting of equilibrium of this LDH reaction. LDH is lactate dehydrogenase. We all know this is the step which is seen in anaerobic glycolysis. When the glucose is broken down to pyruvate, in the absence of oxygen, pyruvate is converted to lactate or lactic acid with the help of enzyme lactate dehydrogenase. So please note, this conversion of pyruvate to lactate is a freely reversible reaction. That means the same enzyme is sufficient to convert the lactate also back to pyruvate. So this is a reversible reaction. And if you see in this picture, by conversion of pyruvate to lactate or conversion of lactate to pyruvate, this depends on the cellular NADH to NAD ratio. If there is increased NADH to NAD ratio, there is more conversion of pyruvate to lactate. So because of this increased conversion of pyruvate to lactate, there is lactic acidosis. So because of alcohol consumption in large quantity, large amount of lactic acid is produced, which is leading to lactic acidosis. So this is second point we should remember. Third point is, when there is increased lactic acid in the body, this lactic acid competes with the uric acid for excretion in the renal tubules. So please note, in the renal tubules, there is only one way through which uric acid and lactic acid gets excreted. So in the persons who already have increased uric acid level, the uric acid level excretion also has to be increased in the renal tubules. But when that person takes more quantity of alcohol leading to lactic acidosis, then the uric acid excretion will be compromised. So when there is decreased excretion of uric acid, more and more uric acid stays in the blood. There is buildup of uric acid in the blood, precipitating the gout attacks. So please remember, lactic acid itself doesn't directly cause gout. Lactic acidosis is not a cause of gout, but it is a aggravating factor. It will exacerbate the existing gout conditions. That means if a normal person takes alcohol, gout will not be precipitated. Only in those persons who have higher uric acid levels, maybe because of primary reasons like enzyme deficiencies or secondary reasons like leukemia, those persons, if they take plenty of alcohol, that leads to acute exacerbation of gouty arthritis. It is called aggravation or precipitation. So alcohol is not a cause of gout, it is a precipitator of acute gouty arthritis. So alcohol precipitates gout. So the justification can be, alcohol metabolism produces enormous amount of NADH which favors the conversion of pyruvate to lactate, leading to lactic acidosis. So, this increased lactic acid causes decreased excretion of uric acid in the renal tubules, resulting in acute attacks of gout. Thank you.